Hello, I am going to tell you how to draw the schematic diagram of heart. It will be helpful in drawing diagrams in examinations and all. Let us see how it is. See, start from like this, from here, you draw like that, then come this way, go like this, here it is. Then from here, join this one and start from here. Again from here over this, like this. Now just erase this part. So here it is. Okay, now here now from here, see, like this, very easy. Now okay, now let us label it. So here we have the right atrium, this is the right ventricle, and this is the left ventricle, and this this is the aorta, and this is the brachiocephalic trunk. What about this one? Left common carotid artery. Here is the left subclavian artery. Okay, what about this one? This is the pulmonary trunk with the pulmonary artery, right pulmonary artery and left pulmonary artery, these two pulmonary arteries. Now what about this one? Superior vena cava. Here comes the inferior vena cava. Okay, now what about this one? This is the anterior atrioventricular sulcus. Okay, right atrium, right ventricle. So what about the right ventricle, left ventricle? So this will be anterior interventricular sulcus. What about this one? That is the posterior atrioventricular sulcus. Atrioventricular sulcus is also known as a coronary sulcus. You know that, coronary sulcus. This is the posterior one. Here is the coronary sulcus, anterior coronary sulcus. Okay, and what about this one? This is the posterior interventricular sulcus. Henna easy. Hope you understood. Hope you find the video useful. If you found the video useful, please share it with your friends. Thank you.